Alright, these jokes ain't meant to offend anybody, so here goes. A blind man walks into a bar, and a table, and a chair. You're welcome. So here's what's done so far for the garage. They got rock underneath this, and then the smaller stuff on top of that. He's been compacting it down, and then we're going to put the concrete pad down. So that's going to be awesome. And then once that's done, we'll be able to get the wood to frame it up. Chickens are going on behind us. Get the wood to frame it all up and have a place to work and put stuff. It'll be awesome, right?
Yeah, be the best.
So another thing they're doing, if you can see right here at the end where the garage is going to be, is this rock coming out. Is that they're bringing in more rock, building this all along here, so then this will circle around, and it's the same rock we had in the driveway, so it'll circle around, widen the driveway up, and then bring it down around here, right down to that point there, and like round it off here with all new stone, so it'll just kind of come in, flow perfectly, and be lots of space for parking or whatever too. It's going to be awesome. So we're pretty pumped about this. Ready for concrete.
Woo!
Pretty exciting day. So they were here all day. They got, we'll show you that in a sec, but the added more rock to the driveway so it kind of circles around a little better. They're going to come back, I think, next week for the concrete. If you're watching this, maybe it's this week.
Yeah.
But it's exciting. Can't wait to get started building it. We've been wanting this for a long time.
Oh yeah, we love it. So happy to see things happening around here.
Yeah, so I'll bring it up a little closer and show you. All right, it's super windy out here today, but I promise you, we have a windscreen coming for our mic. It's been long overdue. It just seems like Amazon's taking forever for that stuff to happen. Anyways, all the rebar's in it, got it all built up. They got it all ready, so they're just gonna come with the concrete. Like I said, I think next week. It's gonna be 24 by 24, and this is gonna be our garage slash workshop slash probably a lot of stuff, like doing deers in there. We can hang stuff, like lots of stuff. So we're excited to have it.
This may not look like too much, but they needed to rock it for the cement truck coming in next week. So it's really awesome for us though, because we wanted more rock all along here for parking, and in the spring when everything starts to melt, it gets pretty muddy right here. So eventually we're gonna rock the whole thing anyway. So it's awesome that they did this. Bonus. I just ate a bunch of sand.
Yeah, right. It's like a Clint Eastwood movie.
Yeah. Woo!
You're a slow draw, you'd be dead.
Yeah.
Just do this. Oh, is it? Right? Still at the camper? What the frig is going on with that one? Man, that's a split in that one. Holy sh**. That's brutal. $27.5, 33, and 43.5.
Alrighty. that's good. All right, let's measure. The broken thing is more broken.
59 1/8. 24 1/4 for this here part. And 3 1/4. No, 0 sides?
Yeah.
Probably.
I'll get it out of the way now because I can't reach, so I'm useless.
You think that was what made you useless?
It's nice.
Just kidding.
Oh yeah, our petroleum spider. So where am I going? I have to do that. Oh yeah, I'm all the way over here.
Yeah.
Useless.
You can always fire a nail into my head though.
Yeah, that's all I'm good for is to point the nailer at you. Oh my soul, come on.
Oh, it's pretty low.
Want me to do it on the floor?
Yeah, but you need nails in it.
No. Rotter. Oh, come on, tape.
You want a knife?
I got one.
Okay. I'll just go get something to eat while you do that.
Yeah.
Probably gonna take a good half hour.
It seems like it. Okay. Let's see. You ready?
I'm level right there.
Yeah, do you need me to come here with
How's,
you?
no.
No.
How's yours look? The
I think
piece.
it's good.
That middle piece.
This looks good, yeah.
I mean, it could barely come up tight.
Oh, no, I want it, yeah.
Well, they're probably not all like that. It's just goes all like basically full of tree sap.
Yeah, it does seem like a bigger board. It's going to cause a problem, no?
No, it's fine.
Lined up with it?
I'm good, yeah. Keep going. All right, we're gonna have supper.
Yeah, we're starving. Sam's starving. Gotta go cook.
But pretty good weekend. Got some trout Friday night.
Yeah, I went fishing up the brook here.
So they're running. Had some lobster yesterday.
Yeah, lobster and fiddleheads.
Yeah,
That's
so
an
pretty good weekend of
East
eating.
Coaster thing,
Right?
right?
Well, yeah, you can get it other places.
So
It is here, but I know like you can get it other places too.
they're good though. It's real nice.
Yeah. All right. I can't think straight. I'm starving.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
See ya.